Hey, so I had to cut that last video off. I was kind of finishing the last section, and I was going through and showing which worksheets you should work on, probably in what order. But I wasn't actually sharing my screen with you, so it wasn't helpful. I went ahead and cut that ending off, and so now I will share with you kind of the order in which I think you should do these similar triangles worksheets. All right, so I think you should start with this worksheet. It's pretty basic. It's kind of the one that I started with in the video. Okay, so that would be a good one to start with. If you finish that one, you might want to do this homemade one that I've done. I know I didn't really do any of these in my video, but they're fairly straightforward. There are no answers though. So in this bottom section would be testing you with your angled knowledge as well. So based off of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles, you should be able to find the rest in that drawing. But that's actually probably going to be pretty hard to do since you don't have this worksheet printed out. So I wouldn't try drawing that if I were you. I would just skip it. But work on these similar triangle problems. And then the third worksheet, get to the top here, looks like this. This would probably be a good one to do. I'd say if you got through those 3 worksheets, you'd be good. And this third one has answers in the back. Let me show you that. You notice they're in red. And then these last 3, if you can do them, great. Like, let me show you which one this one is. This one here, the CUDA software. Similar triangles, it's pretty good. And I think I did one from the video on here. But it's got some algebra in it. When you get down to like number 17, you're solving for X. Okay, and then these last 2, I think they're really good. They're very much like test questions, multiple choice. These are thinking questions. Both of them are thinking worksheets. So don't feel like you have to do them. Those first 3, like I said, would be good ones to start with. And then these would be good to end with. So, so just kind of in conclusion, similar triangles are triangles that have the exact same angles, so the same shape. They're just different sizes. And so we can kind of find the relationship between those 2 triangles and apply it to certain sides to figure out missing sides, so on and so forth, as I showed you in the video. So they're proportionate to each other, so you can use a proportion to solve them. You just remember, as with any time you use proportions, you must have your angles, I'm sorry, not your angles, but you must have your relationships the same. So I hope that was good, and I hope it's understandable. If not, that's okay. Watch it again. Maybe look online. Khan Academy is a great place that you could go for some resources, or reach out and ask me questions and I can go through them with you. So good luck, and I will talk to you all soon.